Hello people, Joe here.
So you have a lot of footage that you taped. You taped when Jada went to sing the anthem for that basketball game.
Right.
And then you taped, I forgot what was the next thing. Oh, we went for that house tour for Jada's friend. And then today for St. Patrick's Day at the festival.
I got a couple of good footage, folks. And it's been a while since I haven't put anything up, but I gotta get down home and do it and stop playing games.
Well, it's just you're actually taping. Yeah. I'm the one that doesn't have time to edit. Plus, I don't know what story you want me to tell.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So you just want me to show some snippets of Jada singing and the basketball, little snippet of everything?
A little bit of everything.
Okay, and we're gonna go on another house tour soon too, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll play that right now.
Guys, we're here at the Toyota Auditorium. We're here for a basketball game and come to see Jada sing the national anthem. But it's raining cats and dog out here. Look. Whew, we're out here in the rain. Whew. Yeah, are you enjoying the rain?
What's up?
Are you enjoying the rain?
Of course. Nothing like rain in California.
Ups are going up.
I don't know. Oh, Jesus, stop crying.
As long as we have our grass-fed butter, we'll be okay. And our avocado toast.
Hey, what? Hey, Bob's one good with my camera. It could get wet. Your camera can't get wet.
My camera don't need to get wet. I don't know.
Somebody could give it away.
Huh?
Yeah, it's sitting on the rain.
Do we go for everything, right?
I have everything ready.
Okay. Come, Joe. Right there. Come, Joe.
All right, fans, at this time, please direct your attention to center court. Good evening once again and welcome to Toyota Arena for tonight's regular season G League matchup featuring the visiting Iowa Wolves and now Ontario Clippers. At this time, we ask that those who are willing and able to please rise and remove your hats as we honor the United States of America with the performance of our national anthem. Please welcome Jada Greenidge.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming.
That's my baby.
Start maybe the next 30 minutes.
Drive anywhere. Like, no. I'm going to Twitch. I'm
I'm here in the bleachers with me and Mike.
DJ Hoppa, Buddy, Russ, and the crew. And we're ready to bring you a Thursday night matinee. Only a few games left in the madness that is March. We want to thank you for everything up to this point. Let's finish on a high note with all your help. Clipper Nation, you ready? We're going to be nice and loud when we bring out the team here to the floor so we can set the stage.
Good.
Airbnb for like, but that's just hourly rental. They take photo shoots and stuff like that. It's beautiful. My friend just told me about it. I'm like, how about? Oh, is this how this is supposed to go? It's been in our basement for.
I got them. Oh, okay.
Do you get there from
Oh, okay.
a ladder here?
Yeah, you need a ladder to get up there.
There's storage up here, see?
All right, so we're here at, what's the name of the business?
This is Good Mama's Health, and this is St. Patrick's Day here. We're out here in Upland, and we'd like to tell you more about Good Mama's Health, and you can always go to goodmamashealth.com to see more of our all-natural products. We have everything from pain creams, we have roll-ons, we have gummies, we do everything along with pet treats, but we have everything all natural for the body, which has no chemicals. So what the body don't need, the body can get rid of. And if you are in any pain, you can call us. You can always go to goodmamashealth.com and see all the products that we have to offer. From all natural stuff with CBD and stuff without CBD. We have everything for the hair, skin, and body.
They have
so
clay.
we appreciate
have
all
clay,
that you can do and let everybody know to get off of any chemicals. That's our model. So if we can help you, we're here to help you. That's goodmamashealth.com. My name is Tracy Walker. This is my wife, Sean. And if we can help you in any way, please visit goodmamashealth.com. That's 424-349-9712. Thank you.
I love it, Tracy. Your elevator pitch is on point.
Folks, and this is a product that Tracy's out here. I bought some for my knees, and it's worked pretty good. Now I can skip, I could hop, I could do everything right now. And here we go. It's over here is the rest of the stuff right here. So folks, you guys can pick this. And these are deodorant that don't have no kind of chemicals and stuff in there. That's good for your body and all that. You got some seaweed and all kind of stuff for folks. So pick one up. All right, guys. I only take a little bit of the anthem.
No, we taped the whole thing, but I only played a little bit of it.
We taped the whole anthem, but I only put a little piece on there so you guys could go and see it.
At her page.
At Jada's page.
Okay. And then I showed everything else. So just wrap it up.
So folks, I hope you guys like the little video that I put up, and I want to thank you guys for subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. And remember, I love you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Right.
Huh?
Right.
You're doing the doorbell already. You're doing the doorbell already.